Class 8th CBSE Chapter 1 Rational Numbers. So this is the introductory part of this chapter number 1, that is rational numbers. So in this we will learn a key points that we have learned in earlier classes also. So we will just recall all the definitions. So first of all we will learn about natural numbers. Most of you have learned this in the previous classes also, that natural numbers are all those numbers which starts from 1 and goes up to infinity we can say. Okay, so all the numbers, like we can take some examples. All these numbers starting from 1 to infinite. So 5, 21, 100, 5002, all these numbers are natural numbers. Okay, so now let us take some equations which are having examples of natural number. We can take x plus 2 is equal to 13. So x will be equal to 13 minus 2. So when we will take any positive value, another side of equal to, it becomes negative. And if we take a negative value, another side, it will become positive. Okay, so x will be equal to 13 minus 2, that will be equal to 11. So 11 is a natural number. Now if we take x minus 5 is equal to minus 8. If we take this minus 5 another side, here it is minus 5. If we will take minus 5 another side of equal to, it will become plus 5. So x is equal to minus 8 plus 5. So x will be equal to minus 3. Now here we are having this minus 3. So minus 3 is not a natural number. Okay, so that thing you have to remember. Now next is whole numbers. So we can say that collection of all natural numbers and 0. So whole numbers include all the natural numbers and 0. So we can say that example 0 definitely, and we can write any natural number like 90, 8, 0, 5 and 25. All these are whole numbers. Now we will see one equation also. X plus 10 is equal to 10. So as I have told you that if we will take a positive value, another side of equal to, it will become negative. So here we have plus 10, it will become minus 10. So x is equal to 0. So this 0 is a whole number. Now next we will study about integers. We have studied about positive numbers which are included in natural numbers. Then we have studied about 0. So now we will study integers. Integers include all positive numbers, 0, and all negative numbers. So all these things are included in integers. Now let us see some examples of integer. Minus 20, minus 100, 0, 5, 30, minus 85. All these are integers. Minus, we can take some more examples. Minus 91, minus 99, 15, 23. Okay, so all these are integers only. Now let us take example. As we have taken one last example, if you remember, for natural numbers, in that this minus 3, we got x value as minus 3. So this is not a natural number, but it is an integer, because integers include minus values also, negative values also. So it is an integers Let us take one more equation. X plus 5 is equal to minus 16. So now x will be equal to minus 16 minus 5. So that will be equal to minus 21. So this minus value, or we can say negative value, is a type, is included in integers. Now next we will study about rational numbers. Okay, so in rational numbers, all positive numbers, 0, all negative numbers are included. So then you will say, what is the difference between integers and rational numbers? We have already discussed integers that include positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers. Okay, so we have studied about all the numbers. Now we will study about fraction values also. Okay, so fraction values we also have to study, and we have to solve these values. So fractions are also included in rational numbers. So positive numbers, 0, negative numbers and fractions are included in natural numbers. So natural numbers, we can say its definition as the collection of positive numbers, 0, negative numbers and fractions, or we can say the collection of integers and fractions is natural numbers. Now let us take some examples. 7 by 8 is a fraction value. 6 is also a fraction value. We can write this in fraction also. 6 by 1, we can write 1 in denominator of any value. Then 15 minus 3 by 2, then minus 10 by 9, all these are example of rational number. Now let us take one equation also. So 2x is equal to 3. Now value of x is equal to 3 by 2. So for writing this, for finding out this solution in fraction, we have studied rational numbers. Take one more example. 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. So 5x will be equal to minus 7. Then x will be equal to minus 7 by 5. So this is also an example of fraction value, and which is negative. Okay, so this is also included in rational numbers.